Why is it raining? Rain, go away. Come on, rain, go away. YouTube, this is Trent here with the Life with the Denny's. We want to first say thank you for all those that have subscribed to our channel. We are currently at 18 subscribers. Woo! If you have not subscribed to our content, we encourage you to click on that subscribe button today and click on the notification bell so you are updated with our most recent videos that we put on our channel. If you have not looked at the title for today, we are going to make Cuisines! Yes, Cuisines! We love it! And we're going to make a tasty Filipino dish called the chicken Menudo. Here in a moment, we're going to introduce the ingredients to you, and we will now take you into the kitchen.
Hello guys! Welcome to our kitchen, and we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna present you our ingredients for making chicken Menudo. Here we need 2 chicken fillet cut into cubes, 2 large size potato cut into cubes, 1 large size carrot cut into cubes, and we need also hot dog, 3 pieces of hot dog, and a raisin, 1 large chopped onion, and 2 cans of tomato sauce, and black pepper, garlic powder, and iodized salt to taste, and we need cooking oil. So here we go. We need to heat the for medium heat. We're gonna start putting oil, and first we need to then saute the onion. After that, we can put the chicken. Let's wait until the chicken cook. We can add a pepper to taste. We'll wait until the chicken is cooked and then we can back. Okay, the chicken is good now. Go ahead and put a hot dog. Then let's put the potato. And then the carrots. Stir it. Then we can add also the raisin. And stir it. And last is the tomato sauce. Let's wait another 15 minutes to cook and then our chicken menudo is done. And now it's cooked. Yummy. And then turn it off and it's ready to serve. And of course, we need a rice. I already cooked rice. We can put it here. Already the rice. Here's the rice. And here's the finished product. Chicken menudo. And here is chicken menudo, and when we come back, we do tasting. Hello guys, here we do tasting now. Okay.
All right, I am very excited to try this. So I guess without further ado, let's have a taste test, shall we?
Yeah. Is it good? Is it masarap or delicious?
I would say in Tagalog, this is very masarap. Oh man, this is so delicious. Well, we want to say thank you for providing this tasty cuisine today, the chicken menudo. This is definitely very masarap, or very delicious for those that are not understanding what masarap is. So we want to thank the wife of the Denny's, Caroline, for presenting this tasty meal. If you want to continue to watch more of these videos, by all means, please, once again, click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can continue to get updates on our latest cuisine updates, as well as some other videos that we will post in the future. We want to say thank you all for joining us today on this cuisine special, and we hope you have a wonderful day. And once again, stay safe out there.